Hi guys. It's on. Hi guys. Today we are unboxing this my thing. So I got my scissors. Kids, ask your adults for scissors first. Let's get this box open.
Put the scissors under there and slice it.
Okay. By the way, my mum's helping me today.
Under there. Not that way. Not that way.
And now I'm just going to give it a little peel. And yes, that's what we're doing today. You might guess what it is. You might be thinking it's something
Across it? Okay.
in the fair for that, but it's not. It's something that I got for sleeping in my own room. So, you see,
Right, Oliver, why don't you cut across this bit of tape?
kids, be careful with scissors.
No, cut across this bit of tape.
Kids, be careful with scissors.
This bit.
That bit.
Yeah. Right, now do the same at the other end.
Yeah.
At this end, put your scissors under there and cut across.
Okay. Kids,
There you go.
ask
Right,
the
you can...
dogs first with scissors.
Right, now pull it apart. You don't need the scissors, babe, you can pull it apart. Now you want to cut the box open.
Because kids, you always ask adults before you lose scissors. Because I'm Maxwell scissors, I don't need to.
Right, shall we put the scissors down now?
Yes.
Right, now pull it.
Yes. Now we pull it like that. And what is it? This is mine.
What is it, Oliver?
It's a DVD player.
Is it? You're going to open up that box?
Yes.
You need help opening that box?
Kids, we're going out of this way.
No, you don't need scissors. No, we'll stay here.
I'm going to open up the box, everyone.
Right, you see these tabs? Can you pull these tabs down?
We pull these tabs. They need to see the tabs. Yeah. And then we go. Yes.
And pull this bit up.
Yeah. And then we go. Whoosh! It's quite heavy.
It's heavy. You got it?
This is
It's all wrapped up to protect it, isn't it?
yes, because it has a screen.
Right, look at that. That's like proper bubble wrap. Right, look, there's open there. Can you do it?
Uh-huh.
There you go.
Yeah. Kids, this is. Everyone might be thinking about what is this. Still might be thinking what it is. But we need to get scissors. That bit, that bag. Yes. And here it is. If you
So what's that, Oliver?
It's not a computer, guys. It is this thing I never heard
Careful.
of. It's something I never heard of. It's a
What is it?
DVD player.
It's a portable DVD player.
If anyone sees this,
Right, are you happy with that?
yeah.
Yeah?
Does that touch the screen?
Yeah, that protects the screen. You take that off when you first start using it though. So, let me turn the camera around so we can see you.
Hi.
So how did you get a DVD player?
I slept in my room, so my nanny gave my mum the money.
Right, we're back.
And turn the other way. This DVD player, everyone might.
Right.
Guys, well, when you saw it, you might be thinking, oh, it's a laptop. But this is DVD player. Look, it's open.
Yeah.
See?
Don't pull it too hard. Are you happy with your DVD player?
Yes.
End this because Deanna keeps trying to phone.
Oh, okay. Bye. No, not yet. We need to one more feature.